Let's do a blue, 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 blue. Blue, blue, blue. 4. Prussian Blue Hue, Ultramarine Blue, Cerulean Blue, Cobalt Teal Hue. These are premium colors. And Snow Titanium White, also of DecoArt. We are gonna also use the Satin Enamels, and it's gonna be being mixed only on the white. We're using DecoArt Pure Medium. So this is an US Art Supply 14 by 18 inches canvas. Normally I use LWR, which I don't prep. I didn't have time to prep this one because I just grab it. Let's see if it's gonna be okay without prepping it. And I'm not putting the white. Probably I should put the white. Let's do it without the white. Let's see what's gonna happen. Well, it's different. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna cover the edges and I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's see if I can move it a tiny bit and eliminate this section. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it, but let's see. This is when I get in trouble, but oh well. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Maybe at that time it's not gonna move anymore. Maybe that corner. Okay, let's see now. So this is the final results. I hope you like it. I think it's completely different, and that's why I like it. You see how it looks like ice breaking. This was a 3-ring with the satin enamels, but I like that it's not formed in tubes. The shapes are irregular, which make it unusual and pretty. So I call it ice melt because for me it is like melting ice. If you Google ice melt, you'll see that it looks just like that. So thank you for joining me, and please come back and watch more videos. Watch the other videos, it does help me. And subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye. Before I go, let me show you the sides. People like to look at the sides. They're pretty. Thank you again. Bye bye.